Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for being here with us today to this fantastic weekend in Pebble Beach, where you have the most amazing cars. So it's a very important moment for car aficionados to be here, and actually it's Ferrari that belongs to the history. This is a key player in the history of cars. Is a key player in this big event. Now we are here because we would like to unveil to all of you, we did preview during the previous day, but we would like to give the possibility to all of you to see in person the new engineering marvel from Ferrari, the new 12-cylinder, the Ferrari F12. This is probably at the moment the best Ferrari ever in terms of performance that we'll give you to you in a while. But again, I work for Ferrari since 13 years. I'm always surprised how the capability from the engineer to raise the bar in terms of the best car. I mean, you know, we have the 458, we have already absolutely outstanding product, but here we are now with the F12, and we have one of the most amazing cars Ferrari ever produced. So I don't think my words or my speech can describe enough the beauty of this car, the amazing of this car, so I'd like you to judge in person. But for me it was important to thank you from all the Ferrari team in America and Italy to thank you very much for being here today, and thank you very much for supporting as enthusiast, as buyer, or as lover of Ferrari. So thank you very much, and hope you will enjoy the presentation of this car. Thanks a lot.
It's a horse on it, David.
Ladies and gentlemen, just a couple of specs and details about the F12 Berlinetta. It is the brand, as Marco, the president of Ferrari North America, mentioned, is the brand new V12 sports car in our range. It features an all-new V12 with 6.3 liters, 65-degree V12, 740 horsepower, 508 pound-feet of torque, 211 miles per hour, 0 to 60 in 3 seconds, 0 to 124 miles an hour in 8.5 seconds.
I like the red.
I like silver.
Nice red.
You gonna start it? Yeah. Start it. Vai scendere, sì?
Accende.
Se vuoi scendere, per favore. Perché to start it?
Sì. Sounds
Stand back.
Oops, battery
good, that's what I said, let's see. Oh wow.
Let's count them. 12 of them.
Okay. Fantastic. Yeah, we're going to hold it here for a minute.
I like this.
Oh, look, it got big languages.
Well, that was